Okay, so hi. I'm planning to post this video. म्हणून मी I think I'll try my best to speak well and in one flow because I don't wish to edit this. But also, I'll edit this as well. But the reason why I'm filming this video is because I want to make a virtual diary for me to look back at the situation in which I was right now. So basically, today is 14th of May, and yesterday was my parents' anniversary. And today, my result arrived of my final year BCom, and obviously, I passed with great grades. And the reason I'm not looking into the camera right now is because I have turned on this one light which is irritating my eyes, and I don't have a ring light. So I have just turned this flashlight on, which is why I might look a little bit dull, but I just felt like filming like this today. I'm also filming it like this because I wish to improve my communication, because as you all can clearly see, I am doing okay job at it, but I wish to be great at it. So which is why I'm practicing it whenever I get the time to. And today there is nobody in my home, so I'm really excited because I can scream as much loudly as I can, and nobody will come upstairs in my room and just knock my door and ask me what the hell am I doing. So this is fun because this usually does not happen, because there is somebody in my house at all times, and I don't get this quite a, a, a lot. But I'm still happy because I'm happy that I get to live with my parents. I enjoy my time with them. But today I feel like I'll talk about my current mindset or the current thoughts which have been going in my mind over and over again. So basically, I have this one CET exam on 5th of June, and I have just not been feeling like studying for the past few days, and I've done everything in my power to make me feel like studying, and I think I'm doing pretty great at it. But still, this is what I'm facing right now. Do tell me if somebody out there is watching this video, then do tell me if you all feel like this sometime of the day or sometime in your life. Do you feel like this? But apart from that, um life is pretty fun. I'm enjoying my life. I have a lot of wishes and desires. I hope they come true someday or time in the future. So I think I'll just list down all the things that I want in my life. So I want to experience life living abroad. Don't get me wrong, I love my current life. I love living with my parents. They are amazing. My sister is amazing. My mommy papa is amazing. My aji is amazing. But I just wish to um, experience somewhere wherein I have to figure life out by myself, because I've never done that. So I would love to do it. But while doing it, I would also want to enjoy the process. I do not want to worry about all the other things. And for that, obviously, I'm working on myself. I'm preparing myself in advance. I'm working on managing my stress, because I've been an anxious person, and I think I am as well right now. But I'm taking steps in order to not be that person. Um, so yeah, I wish to go and live in some other country, in some other state sometime in the future, and I would love to experience life like that. I would love to see how I react, act in situations, circumstances wherein everything is been left on me. How do I come up as a person in that situation? I would love to see. So that is one desire. The next desire is I want to meet a friend who with whom I can share my weirdest and very raw personality. So basically, the thing is, I too till this day don't know what is my weirdest and my raw personality, and the reason for that is because I have always faked my personality around other people to an extent wherein I myself don't know who I am as a person, and I think that's really sad. But I'm doing things in order to make that weird energy which is within me, I know it, to come out. I'm giving myself that time, that space to be like that. So let's see if it comes true. But the next thing I want to do is earn a lot of money, because I would want to live a very comfortable life in the future, and I would want to let my family enjoy a comfortable life in the future as well. Don't get me wrong, my life right now is beautiful because I'm doing my journaling, my gratitude journaling daily. So I know what are all the blessings which are in my life, because growing up, I have had developed this pessimistic mindset, and through daily practices worked I have come a long way, I feel, because whenever I speak about the things I want, the things which I already have always come up in my mind, and I'm always grateful for it. But with gratitude in my mind, I ask for the things I want more. So I think you could use that trick if you want to. But what was I saying? I would काय होतं यार, एक तो यार दिस ये लाइट मेरे आँख में जा रही है, एंड आई कांट रिमेंबर थिंग्स. I think I should just move on with the next point because I'm not in the mood to go and check the clip. So the next thing which I want in my life is to be a person who articulates their thoughts really well, because growing up I have struggled to share what is going on in here because I could not just find out the right words, and I have never been a great communicator, and I think I'm working on it a lot, and I this is my deepest and biggest wish, to be a great communicator, yeah, to be able to express myself greatly. And yeah, that's another thing. I don't know if it's even appropriate to share my wishes on the internet, but I think there are limited number of people, so I just don't care. I'll just post as long as I have the freedom to do so. So yeah, that's another thing. And the next thing that I want in my life is, I think I have just covered major things. If something will come up tomorrow, I think I'll add that to the list. But yeah, basically, this is one very important thing which I've always wanted, and that is I've always wanted to live a conscious life wherein I'm present at every moment. I'm not in my head, and I know this thing will only come true with daily practice. It won't come true if I just say it right now. I have to practice in order to make this thing come true. But I think I'll do my best, and I'm sorry for screaming out of nowhere, because I felt like I should just speak with loudly, more loudly, so that this mic could give justice to my voice, because this is, let's just say, it does not sound very much, yeah. But yeah, that's another thing that I want. The next thing that I want is to live a life wherein I have so much richness in my life that I forget to use my phone. I have so much richness of people, of my social life, of people who love me, and of the people who I love. I wish to have so many people in my life that I adore, who adore me, that I forget